How to turn off data saver mode on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off data saver mode on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down until you find settings and then notification and not notifications. Click this one, media. Now all you need to do is just one click on data saver mode, and as you see, data saver mode have been turned off, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.